Pete the cat. I love my white shoes. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang a song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn Pete's shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Wait. Wrong. Awesome. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy. Groovy. Like groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. He's drinking coffee. Oh no, Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White. But no, they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song, rock and roll. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Splat, splat, splat. The moral of the Pete's story is no matter what you step, keep walking along and singing your song. Beach because it's all good. The end.